The family blank 40 luxury cars. Own, owns, is owning, has been owning. Kung tatagulogin natin yung sentence, yung pamilya, meron silang 40 na luxury cars. Ibig sabihin, yung meron silang, yung hinahanap natin dito, this is not an action verb. Hindi kilos yung hinahanap natin, kundi isang state verb. Ano ang state verb? Yung mga verbs na hindi nag-e-express ng kilos. Rather, nag-e-express sila ng state of being, conditions, or feelings, thoughts, mga ganyan. Ito ang verb na hinahanap natin ay yung mag-e-express ng ownership. And again, kapag mag-e-express tayo ng ganung state, ang gagamitin natin is simple present. Ulitin natin, base verb kapag plural nouns or pronouns I, you, we, they. At verb naman plus S or ES kapag singular nouns or pronouns he, she, it. Since meron tayo ditong family na view natin as a single unit or one whole unit na may-ari ng mga sasakyan na yan, ang gagamitin natin is yung pang singular subject. Ang sagot is letter B. Pero ang own, pwede rin siyang maging action verb sa ibang konteksto. Halimbawa, why do you keep owning something that's not yours? Bakit mo inaari yung hindi sa'yo? In that case, kilos na yung own.